Hello viewers, this is P.O.D. official and I will be your English tutor. I'm Miss Eunice, and for today's lesson, we are looking at the strand grammar and we are treating the substrand question tags. So when we talk about question tags, they are short questions that are added to statements for confirmation. So you have an idea or your expression, the statement is correct, but you just want to confirm what you know. So that's when you introduce question tags. That's when it should be added to your statement to confirm that your idea is correct. Now, we form question tags by using the auxiliary verbs in the statement. We add them to the pronoun. So auxiliary verbs like am, can, will, shall. Then you add it to the pronoun in the statement. Now one may ask, what if the statement does not contain a pronoun? So you identify the subject in your statement, then you use a pronoun to correctly replace that noun. So example, he was here this morning. My pronoun is he and the auxiliary verb is was. So when I want to construct my question tag, I will use the negative form of was, that's wasn't, that's contracted, added to the pronoun he. So we are going to look at the rules that are used in question tags. Now we are looking at two rules, then next time on our lesson we are going to identify or know how to construct some question tags that are added to statements without auxiliary verbs. So rule 1, it says positive statements require negative question tags. So that's a rule that needs to be followed. So examples. Number 1, I was present yesterday. That's a statement or a sentence, how you are going to put it. I was present yesterday. So our auxiliary verb is was and our pronoun is I. So the question tag will be wasn't I. So we are looking at positive statements that require negative question tag. So he is your brother. Our pronoun is he and our auxiliary verb is. So we are going to contract the auxiliary verb in the negative form. So isn't he. Now let's move to negative statement that require positive question tags. So when your statement is negative, you need to add a question tag that is in the negative form. So negative statements require positive question tag. Example, he can't draw. This is a negative statement because it contains the indicator not, which has been contracted. So he can't draw. So your question tag will be can he? The children are ready. Positive tag. Aren't they? Alright, so since I want the lesson to be more interactive, these are examples of statements that need the right question tags. So I want you to pause this video and check these statements out. Write the right question tags that are needed for this. So number 1, we have, I am aware of his plight. This is a positive statement. So what would be the question tag? Number 2, those are my shoes. So fix in the right question tag. We shouldn't pay the bills. And lastly, he won't apply the rules. So I need you to do this at the comment section and I promise to check them to see if we follow the right rules. Let's do it together. I want you to check if you had it wrong or correct. So number 1, we have, I am aware of his plight. This is a positive statement, so we need a negative question tag. So we have, aren't I? Number 2, those are my shoes. Aren't they? We shouldn't pay the bills, should we? He won't apply the rules, will he? So these are the right question tags that are needed for these statements. Now, this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I'll meet you some other time with a new topic for discussion. Now, I need you to share, like, subscribe, and comment any idea or anything that you think should be added to this video. Thank you very much.